and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how you can increase your followers list by using this simple and very effective strategy. So the first thing that you need to do is obviously use the search bar in order to go and look for relevant people. Now, how are we going to do that? Because obviously we're not aware of what kind of people here on Pinterest are interested in digital marketing. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the search bar and we're going to type in for a very popular influencer of our niche. Following the tradition of the previous examples, we're going to be looking at the profile of Noki. And we're going to see what kind of followers they have and whether they're relevant to us or not. So if we go down, and if we click on see all boards, we'll be able to see what kind of people are following them. Let's find the most relevant board for us. So let's just say that out of all of this, style marketing, mobile, politics, customer service, social commerce, social behavior, and whatnot. So let's just say that we want to go with something like Instagram stories. And we want to see how many people are following this board. And here you can see more than 3,500 people are following the board of Instagram stories that has been created by Noki. So what we're going to do is we're going to click, if we hover above this number, you can see that the mouse turns into a hand. And that's a clear sign that it is something clickable. So if you click on this, a list of all their followers will just show up. And here you can scroll down and you can see what kind of people are here, what kind of people are following them, and whether they're relevant to us or not. And if we follow them, can we get a response back or not? Because we need to find our targeted audience from this circle of Pinterest as well. This is a very useful and a very quick and effective strategy. So we're going to look for one of these. Let's just take one of these as an example and follow them. So let's just say we want to go for this person or the brand. Well, they are Digisoft Payline, the best member-to-member program that pays 100% commissions daily at admin closes all sales. Now, this might be something relevant to us, or it couldn't be. But if we go back, we can look for more people that we think are relevant to our niche and they would like to hear back from us if they knew something about us. Let's follow this guy. Internet marketing products reviewed with Phil. This is someone that we can use. This is someone whose opinion we can use, and he also has a lot of monthly viewers. And he has a website as well. So we can follow him. Now, what's it gonna do is it gave us a notification that we've started following this guy, but it also gives him a notification that we have started following him. So obviously he's going to be curious and he's going to take a look at our website and also our Pinterest profile. And that is a very good way of building up your followers list and also directing traffic from Pinterest to your website or any other targeted site. So go ahead and use the strategy to increase your followers list on Pinterest.